Well, go on. Say for the first time you watch the channel, you know, do the right thing. And if you always watch the channel, enough respect. Anyway, watch a movie here. Back. We're back in our business now. But they will take a time off for these one things, but we're back here now. So the soon so hard one. Let's go. Yeah, no. I want you to understand, yeah. Not because I'm kind, no. Not because money is so hard to find, no. I'm not a fool for no one. Not a fool for no one. Not because you're beautiful. Not because every man is running you down. Not because you're the hottest thing around the town. Not because you make everybody heart drop. Still I'm not a fool. One day I'm gonna stop. You say you want this, I get you this. Then you want that, I get you that. Feel like I'm falling in a trouble. Mama grow me well. You hear me, Chantel? I'm not a fool for no one. Not a fool for no one. I'm not a fool for no one. I'm not a fool for no one. Yeah, you caught me off guard when you take off your drawers. Yeah, I was trapped. Yeah, you do everything when I'm laying on my back. You even have me putting your name in my bank account, and you spend it all out.
Yes, never can work on the
Ah, boy. Boy, I'm there. Yeah, we go on the road. I show up the property. Go on the way out still, because I can't control you know. Every time you say to know that you still have a hand, so. You love for me too.
Right, you're driving.
Come on there. But I go and feel differently. You know, say you go look one walk and every day, you know, see I move again. You go on the work, what day go we call it the work fear. What them say to you about work?
You never get through, you know.
You never get through.
You never get through from your child.
Did you tell them say you're a real worker girl? Eh? You talk to the people and say you're a real worker girl?
Yeah, you talk to them and tell them everything, but
you show them your knee. So you also need to rub floor back in the time. So if a house, you have to show them your hand. Like your hand tough, if you feel like hand, you know so you can walk. Because that knows that they said young people them can't work.
you never show them at all, just talk to them.
Because watch out. The house might look good enough. And the rent, no, me alone can't pay the rent, you know. Right now we rough for me, you know. Food and everything rough for me. See the fan match up.
You know how you go already, you never look for me.
You know how you go already.
You never look for me.
Not if you want fan, you can't call the people them beg them money. They buy one fan. Eh? The fan mash up, and you mash up the fan, you know, because you love the fan more than me, you know. See how I set an idea, I can organize the sun well at. Can't do more than that, bills to pay, you know. Light bill to pay, water to pay. What am I do? Stop pay the water rate and the light bill and buy the fan?
No, I never look for her because I tell you already, you still and you look like something I'm going to do.
Anyway, check that. But if I come back, I'm going to do the work by the time I reach back. Alright? So I have to try to make a money because bills them apply. You understand? So I know so when they meet up on the road, they say it's a girl we believe in a helping, pushing your man forward. I know I see you now, nothing for you.
We don't talk to you already and you can do everything already. You can send me out here to do everything I'm supposed to do, but
But 3 years past and now one head there, you know, you do nice with them.
I didn't get any work, so I have to just wait until I get a work. When I get it, I will do everything.
And at night time, you just want me work straight through the night. Mama,
why you boy? You have to talk that, so you have to talk that.
Mama, may I tell you, it's too much. Bills them high, so I can't work too much. You know, I work one night for you. Get things so that is
alright then, so you don't have to bother work for me tonight. Then work and do what you have to do and just go on your day.
Alright.
Action.
Hello.
Yo, what going?
Me there. Where they from?
I know someone you come give me a link up on my yard.
I don't have my friend yard me I come from, but me can't meet you down where Coke come and that's where look river there. Me can't meet you down there.
So you can't take a taxi and come up on my yard?
Me can't come down there right now. Me don't feel so good. I don't just alone. Me can't meet you right now.
My girl, a piece of money me I give you, you know.
You know, you hear me say, man, this so me can't meet you right off this so me can't come down there right now. Me don't feel well, man. Me belly the problem.
So you don't want the money then?
I want the money, but you cannot come down there today. Not today. Next day. Just meet me down there, so. Here.
Which part?
Right down my cow come and this way the river there. Right there, so me I go sit down and wait for you.
I know some there. Down my falls, down my NI falls.
Alright then, forward.
Now walk I come.
Yeah. Alright. Girl, are you so worried? You know what me I do? Remember saying I give me things for a long time now. Yeah, I tell me about me to come down and yard, girl, but I tell him say if he link me down and wish by cow come and the girl. I'll go over there to clean the girl my son and wait for him. Girl, when time he come, I think my belly hurt me and just get the money and time and come back home. I don't do nothing. Yes, girl, that me I do. Me not time for him. I go on with my go. Alright then, me I wait for you. Come on. Hey, good. So you take so long to come?
Good long, man. Stop and wash off my face and water them. That's a nice sea, man.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So it's cool and nice. Family, it's not hot.
Where say they come?
They say me I start to some wait till they come. I can't bother to come now. Because I don't feel good.
Oh, bring your water then. When you don't feel good?
But yeah,
You can stop it then in your water, man. How long you want to stop it then?
The hot is bad. It's like more and water.
So you say, I'm money come for collect and go on.
Nobody make it sound that weird.
That's what you make it sound like.
But me just want to go a doctor go cause it a bit. I found last night it hot me, you know. Last night me under it just because me did never want to tell you because I know I have afraid stress out yourself over it. But you not even know me still so me
Which doctor you go?
private doctor.
Yeah, so now I have to spend some decent time now. You know, river nice and good. So you could just swim and I said, the lake are going.
No, go away. Me a try last night. But me drink peppermint tea. Me put peppermint in my neighbor. I don't know. Me drink Cersei. I don't know. Me just want to see that.
Alright, hear me. So when may I see you, bro?
I feel in a week.
So if the doctor tell give you medication, you're alright. You couldn't just come give me a link, man.
Me just want to make sure so me alright. Once me good, me a come link. You don't feel rush nothing. You don't worry yourself. You worry about, you know what I mean? No?
Alright, look on. Make sure you're alright, bro. Here.
Yeah.
Yo, whoa. It's first phone one. Where you come from school, Salim? What time now? A girl you go to school for look, me never say you enough you have your girlfriend, you know. But let me tell you this, it's when you come to your education. Yeah. Eh? Yo, let me tell you this, me no want to fit me. Yo, you know me already, you know. Go on up, man. Take some laugh. Go on up, man. Hold on now. Good.
Girl. You know me a laugh. He boy fool. Me say me tell the boy say me got a hot me girl. Yes, you want to hear me? My belly hurt me from last night. I'm not feeling. I'm going to go to the doctor and give me money, girl. Yeah. So when we come down, we can go, you know, have a drink and so. Keep on, yeah. I'm alright. I'm not going to go with him. I'm alright. In here. But when me come, when me better if me can't come link him. Me tell him say yeah, me will link him. Me not link him, girl. Every time me link him, me sick. Every minute me link him, me sick. Yeah. Girl, I come, girl. Want to tell you or me so. Stop or me, man.
Where are David?
What's up? You there, one? You are going.
Remember there, we not run down. Run a yard, the group. And the youth where all this cut yard in the area, apart from the way. They are look for. You know, because you don't. Not really a cut yard now. So I want somebody. Same way, you know matter.
Yeah, man, I know where I talk. I know Sparky there too.
Alright, if you see him, just tell him chop out the yard for me today.
Alright, no problem.
Because. Yeah, got much?
No, sir. No, not much.
But anyway, I got the match. But don't tell your friend, you know. Because I know say. She has a wonder why we be so happy so many times. Football, I watch her and all the vibes, right? So she go face her work today. But I go watch her match today.
No, man, I'm not telling you.
Yeah, man, so that's what we do today. So anyway, remember, from other yard. So now we're not about to go no further there. If you say no party there.
Yeah, I know Sparky there, man. You didn't write up a free place.
Alright, my link on the bridge and all that stuff. But send him up there anytime I know. Because I'm going to go back there.
Alright.
Alright?
Ah.
The auntie tell me money come give me and I buy one fan. Yeah, that be like a what? But you can't get the cool on your no man.
Well, the thing more, I have to cost of it then. Because of course, if you look at how still, regardless, appreciate your auntie give money, you buy fan. I have ton fan, but still go cost you have to get a work.
You go get a work, you don't tell her already. I mean, you go like, I'm going to tell you to go buy fan. You know, something. But there's everything you have to manage.
Alright, cool me a cooler. Food in my pot. When I'm ready, you want to eat something. But me I come up on the work and now. You know, for my work stay. As a security, me have to go up on time to release the next security. Is it?
Yeah.
So,
Alright then.
you know, so I'm on the point again. Later.
Yeah. Let me make a call now. Hello.
What happened, babe?
Just reach up, you know. Thanks for your fun nice.
At least that man can do for you, man. Man, tell you, man, matter of fact, me do anything for you, you see? So, Kello, when you come link me, come really want to fit, you know what I mean?
Don't worry about that, man. I rush things so fast, man. I want to tell you, man, good things come to those who wait, you know, man. Make me a last time a while ago.
It's cool, man. I don't want to wait in a long time, man. I'm just anxious for you, you know.
I know that, man. I want to tell you, man, I love you and rate you, you know, man. The things say me always a come around you. That rushy thing, man, you have to wait a little bit. I just go and chillax, you know.
So it's a look more me I see you then, though.
Yeah, me make you see me, man. Don't worry yourself. Start rushing.
Alright, I say I work, man. Love you, baby.
Alright, love you too.
Alright.
Yeah, man, I match me there now. Me I going on the ground, man. Me I tell you. Right now, me I going on the ground. We can't go. The side can't lose, man.
Respect, alright.
We are doing it. We are doing it. Come to the
ball now. Come in the ball now. Watch my side. See the cool. Come in the ball now. You bet yes or no? You bet now.
Yeah, put 75 to that. Yeah, don't
Choking thing in the pan. Who on my side?
Alright, me say. To all the money to do
Yeah, where money there? Where money there? Take out your money now. Take out your money.
Alright,
now listen to someone. You know, waste time.
Long time
This
joke.
man a yapper. You don't know this man how much over here.
Boom.
You know,
You see the Satan out before you go in. I mean, let's go.
them watch too much Arsenal and too much league at Liverpool. Did you watch the match?
Yeah.
Yes, walk on.
Me there, you good?
You don't know say over a match me I come from. It's Fuma and Rossi. Bet what Rastaman a win now, a portion of money now, for 100,000.
Alright.
So who's playing there?
Give me yard.
I come link here now, baby.
You just there lie down and take a little sleep. And you wake me up.
Alright, now I will wash up and call you back, side.
Alright.
Done now.
This is something with me you want, but you me not have the money to buy here, yeah? Yeah.
Yeah, girl.
And that the battery rider there must fit me good.
Me see, if you just right at Chinese there, so the all-in-one something there, girl, me have to get here. The man there, we go and call him.
You know see white body suit girl, but I chew me belly big. Me no do buy do, but me buy you.
Girl, we are going to call that man, they can have to go buy me later on. Girl, anything me say, he have to do it, and me controlling it. Girl, a real something.
I know that because of the car, but we come to talk about the clothes and we see that the town.
They not that me a talk about, but me a tell you so that the man them me go make me buy for me. Me a call him. Me give her my phone.
I didn't want to look over there, so I'm glad we did come over here, but the clothes, you see, I leave back rider when we talk about before. I want that. That would have fit me good, but anyway, when we go back up this.
You know what? Me a call him to come over because me left my phone. Come on.
You see, you love man like that.
I don't love man like that, girl. Girl, I don't love man like that. But that means that the man they can't get this from a girl, I know that already.
Alright, seems like you love man. Get 1,000-2,000 for me by the battery rider shot.
Like this now, like.
Alright, go in the box and watch the man. The other person. I'm going to charge it. Yeah, man. Thing go do up. You are not going to see a good day. Then I say, yeah. Man, tell some to get me some money, man. Now get me some money in the night, man. Forward, man. Now come back, come by.
Well, like
Yo,
there's
pick
something
it.
here, you know.
Yeah.
There's something nice.
Girl, so we're coming in rain.
Girl, how long I call you make me and catch you?
So what you say now? Because you understand what you say for the phone now.
Girl, I tell you say me have one man when me a book out.
What do you mean you have one man with a book so? We don't want about the situation already.
Girl, you know what me I do, you know? You know what me I do already, so you know feel.
Look, let me tell you something you never know. You see, in life, you know, grown people will hurt you. That is not right. Suppose the man a bad man now, and then you find out say you book out him, and then he want to kill you. What you gonna do?
Girl, the man a no bad man. He's just a normal person. He not bad.
So you feel the last time, stop it, it's not right. Suppose the man get out of control now. Don't involve me in your problem, you know. Don't involve me in your problem.
Girl, the man not get out of no control. The man just a normal person. He's not a bad man. The man don't know none of them. Man there.
Yeah, me I want you to do.
What you think me call out here for go and do? Follow me go down a man yard. Piece of money.
Let me just tell you, say, I know you call me out for waste my time if you like go down a man yard for money.
Yeah, come here now.
You see if me ain't never got friend. Alright, me will follow you. But don't involve me in your problem.
And if the rain don't fall. Still a juice, okay? Come on, draw for a bit.
Girl, come go on, you waste my time.
Come on. Girl, me now waste your time. Me a man there down your saw. I want to come on, man. Tired already? You can walk in the door. Girl, come over here, sir.
Walk in.
Over here, sir. Come up. Yo.
Yo.
The day and that big tree out here saying no, because I don't want to last no. I don't know which part to come.
The big
barefoot tree. It's stand up underneath it.
right around the corner down on the lane me live in. Enough.
Just come if you come and talk bad me here. Come if you come.
No, I'm not far.
Bye.
See you here.
Early.
A good while we turn up here, so you know. When man they see her come?
Girl, wait, no man say ma come round the corner this way. Oh, see ma come there.
Oh. Come on.
Hurry up now! Let me turn up so long I wait for you.
Girl. Hello.
No, like, you take long to come. Because all the other time when you come early, I know you come late. No, like.
You come talk there.
Juta.
Who is this? I can't introduce me.
You're my friend.
Hi, friend. So she name? Can't laugh so.
Come
A joke come thing hour.
You do your thought this?
A joke come thing.
No, you stop it like.
Where are you? Two wanna come on there.
No, you know what I'm saying? I follow over somewhere. So I say, she say you will give me something just to come pick up it. Follow her go shop. What a later thing that you.
Alright, make sure you come with me back to come on.
Tell her you say me a forward and me not tell no lie. I want to man. Girl, all that oracle meet him up say, girl, come on, me ready. And me tell him say me a wait for you. Thanks.
So you will see me.
Look more.
Sure you come in, look more now.
I'm here, man.
Yeah,
Now go
alone.
on in, yo. Come on. Later. Here. Yeah, come look. Yeah, we have something hot on this later, yeah.
Come
Yeah.
on now.
Joking thing, you
Me a depend on joking thing. I want to hear
Go
man.
on forward. Sis. Sis. Yeah, man.
How you come about now? Oh, you have sense.
Excellent pain.
You have sense. Other night you can one girl down on the yard, you know, you kept straight in my house with your shoes. You have sense.
You know the principle now.
Okay, you know, so if you take off your shoes, good boy.
Where are they?
Me there, man.
You know nothing cooking there.
Yeah, where you want?
Food.
Ackee and saltfish.
Wow!
Right.
Just came off some of my ackee, I don't like salty, but here now. That's something more comfortable. That's something that bother me, you know.
Want you?
Me I talk to one girl, seen?
Hmm.
Nice slim girl, you know. Know my complexion too.
Hold on, before you go any further, how will you find that the girl come know you staying or your private can't stay in Europe and up on the bridge you find her?
No.
Or where she
Me
come from?
meet her in the street, man. Me not go up on the bridge, man.
You and her day. Like when you start have sexual intercourse.
Hold on now. We're not there yet, man. I just try to show you how I say. Like, she use her brain or something. But here now, we don't know still.
Use protection.
Every time I give her money, she can't come around my yard. Say, if I call her around my yard, she can't, she meet me somewhere else. I don't know where she live, you know, and she don't know where I live. But every time I give her the money, it's like, sometimes, other time they shall go somewhere, or something she go buy. She never want to come link up on her own, like, I mean she come link. I'm giving her money more than 10 times already.
I like.
More than 10 times already.
You just meet her. I know you stay still. I know you say no me.
I'm going to say a woman, you know.
I know. I'm a woman too. But as your sister, let me tell you something. I don't put my mouth on a woman because I'm a woman to any man I have them supposed to give me money without me even ask them. But you are doing it the wrong way. You do not know her from nowhere. You don't know her background. You just meet her. You give her money 10 million times already. So, what kind of conversation on the whole? You know, make one conversation about relationship and...
Yeah, man, me and I do all of that, man, and link up regular, man, and talk and walk up on them stuff there.
And she sound like she needs somebody or she just use somebody. Which one of them?
I'm not really sure, you know. I'm not sure, you know. Because she sound genuine and everything, and...
Well, if she sound genuine, that means maybe. Me never say she is. Me say maybe she's a nice person. You can go ahead and check it out. Just give her more money
so
for the
check
same
it
time.
out already. Check it out, like, I'm not tell you say a long time, I'm not tell you say 10 times again, the girl money, and more than 10 times. And she never yet like...
So hold on there, Jutta. You know no sense. You know baby, you know? You say you give her money, what, 10 times or over 10 times. And you never talk for a long time. And you never do the do's.
No.
I just say don't. You know do. Bad God. So you ever put it to her?
Yeah, the wicked thing once she come around me.
So you want to have intercourse with her, you put it to her, you never kiss her, touch her, nothing at all?
No, I touch her and
Hey?
I never kiss her.
Yeah, you see you see that big head that we have? You see your mother always tell me say, you're a big stupid idiot. You're a jackass. That you do take your money and give woman no front for you. Oh, you have to take your money and give woman and you not get nothing from them. They don't show you. Alright. Even if she not ready to have sex with you, I'll do a long time and it overdue. Not even cook, wash, nor clean, she not do nothing at all for you. She not check up on you to see if you're alright. You are an idiot. You are fool. You are an idiot. You don't have no sense. You make girl name you out. You is a bossy. You not reach certain age yet and girl be a sugar daddy. You fool.
Hurry up, man, cause it takes a long forward. I have to go change the money. I can't get the $5,000 for you. Yo, I can't get the whole of $5 grand, you know. We just come out of the taxi, and when we get the taxi, we just get the change. You want $2 grand, you do that today. You understand?
Yeah.
I get that.
That the more you spend money, you know, that's where you get a drive, and the taxi man just give you back. Don't change, you do a $2 grand. You do what you have to do in a yard. You understand? Hurry up and come, man.
See that? You sure it's that she?
Yeah.
But she look good, man. But I don't like how she have different man. So hold on there. When you meet her, she did tell us that she have another man. She look like she sell front, you know, she say I want a whore you take up. So you want to take a whore and turn her in our wife. Now wifey. Want to get her more money, you damn cockroach. I go and buy one big and spray for you. And when I done zap you must have sense. You must get sense. You have to have sense when we done. So you go get her more money again and you just see her. They come from up there so you not even know if her brother or man or a front she go tell you don't know. Look, she come from over here so. Look. Up there so. You don't know where she go do. And she not even see you. You see it? With one man. Sorry for you damn fool. You know no sense. You see all you? I'm sure you're not in the hospital, you ban. I forgot some mother did tell me say in a market you ban. When she gone to church, you ban. My mother gone to church and you ban in a market. I don't know how you ban. Damn fool no. I'm gonna go give her more money. If I me like you, I go give her more money. You feel have sense. Get up from out of my yard, man, and go which part they go. Papi sure. Before you carry the money, come give me some help, pay my bills, then you take it to the woman. I don't give you nothing. Me could have get one woman for you.
Man, to look into the mother for sure.
You never look into nothing yet. A big hole you look up in. Wrong hole. Crosses hole. Wow. Where? See there? So you are... If she want to hear me that a few and fear business that, boy, you are spend money on front where you now get another man a beat that, you know. Make me chat, Lord. You fool now. Idiot, touch him. Sit down one side and watch girl where you take your money and you not get nothing. Big dog man food.
Come on here,
yeah. You gain some sense you can go in a house, but you don't get to come looking at your house. You damn fool now. You land near your house. Other day, I beg you want money if you go pay, I want to raise it, but you don't know. But you can't take it, you don't get no
so give her money, yeah?
You don't want nothing from you.
Let me know, man.
No, you can't come in.
I know I'm not coming.
You can't come in. Oh, you have to come out. You have to come out the door.
How are you with that, sir?
I mean, I want to be there.
I see how God said with that big rasta man. Just tell me the truth and done.
You don't want to tell her. I'm a man.
Are you a man?
Yeah, I'm a man.
So I'm gone now.
Work.
Alright. The right time I come then like I'm gonna put take charge. Rap gun, come in.
Chow man! Wait! What?
Let me in chow. Let me in chow. I want to tell you call much money man here. And then give me a value. Hey sis, sister. What go on? Oh God man.
How are you last?
Can't laugh off of me again, my boss I know.
Your boss?
Finally, can come take a look on the new house I know. Yeah. You get to me one man. I know what I go on now. See a man that live over there, a Rasta man. So I just go over there when he now work and get to more.
So you a Rasta and our personal man a Rasta? So
I be a personal man, you know.
I like.
Wow, I saw in your house nice man.
So Rasta front chair, be a Rasta man she take.
Good kitchen and good bathroom.
Go on there. What you say? Your boss?
Get it man.
Me like that.
I'm happy I know man. But more go up go base still, isn't it?
You use protection?
Me, I hear that.
If
You don't
me
know what
and
I want.
you wait, say if me and you that are you are you?
Hello, you know left it here. Ram, you come over here, my sister.
No man.
You come over.
So to your boss. You just come and just turn back same
I
time.
know
And when you
what you
did it,
want.
you probably not get no front.
And
You
I
sit
also
down.
do want. No see nothing, man. I come check your back, man.
Remember, so when I'm chilling, you get no front, you sit down all long and not stress out.
All
Now you
right.
get the front, you
All
just
right.
come and spin your roll. So
All right.
did make you stay so? Front did I stress you out so? Okay. Our front did I stress you out? Oh God, you get little front. Big up yourself, your ear will grow longer. Highly that kick up in your back, me see it. But I hope that girl not tricking you. Oh, you're lucky. Little more.
For when this a girl I say me fi meet her right as I know she can't come. Me can't bother with her sometime, you know, man. Like a she up this one come. Because let me just say we for you.
Oh, let me tell you what happened, girl.
Wow.
You know, say, me up a yard.
Mm-hmm.
I'm here door knock. It's not the first time I answer, not the second time, so I go down there and pull it. Girl, when I pull the door, guess I want to see.
Who?
Man,
Which man?
me a boop suit. Girl, me couldn't believe
What
it.
I said to it?
Girl, me wonder who tell the man say this, so me leave. Me frightened,
Ooh.
girl.
If you got say a man name,
Girl, when me see him and me up in the door, my brace the door, girl, and me a flap back, call back the door, saying, no, girl. And he ma brace the door, girl. He will embrace the door, girl. Me have to just look by the door. He go say, me can't come in. So me say, no. How would a man there with a goat this a while ago? Because he ask me, say, see me do a man. That a me man. Then he say, me never want to tell him that me man.
you say me that want. Listen to me. You say me that want you. You say you when you're dead, me no want to have nothing to do with no family member for you, you know. Because me as a friend want. Suppose you think you kill a girl. So you do you give him somebody in front? You did have to give him, because that the man there, how me look upon him, he look like a bad man, like a real killer.
Girl,
Don't do them there something there again, yeah?
me did a feel. He hold me, girl, and but me fi go upstairs, girl, and me tell him say me can't do nothing, and me go up there. When me go up there, he ma hold on pa me and me a wrestle with him, and me a wrestle with him, and he pull me and take me.
Listen, you see
Me and
them
me
man
body
there?
weak.
You can't know bad man. For you look on their face and how they move, a bad man them be. Listen to me, don't do it again. Hey, now let me get caught up in a few problem, you know. Never bigger problem on my yard to deal with, you know.
Girl, no weak, girl, not even know me.
I take your little maga backside go your yard, you know. If I do nothing like that again, me sorry for you cannot give your funeral, me I come here if you come haunt me. Go on your yard, go and go wash off. Go wash off your little rannies off of you.
Girl, me breathe off.
Alright, breeze off. Me I go on my yard, little more.
I don't know what me go do this fine. Look what me cost for myself. Someone.
Sister.
From here, your vice, me say you.
One vice, man.
I go on.
want.
Alright. Are they put up on there?
You're from the sea door and pull me and step on the shoes, man.
Oh, sorry.
You know your principal already.
Okay.
Yeah, David. You know what I'm saying?
Eh?
That girl did not come from.
Oi, I saw you do it all the while you left from here, you come another woman yard. I saw you do it.
Come on, who this? You know who this?
Me don't want to know who woman yard you come. You just left from here, you end up ramping out here.
So I come a woman yard, so you come a woman yard too.
Are you me come to? Me not come to you, man. Are you me come to?
I'm a sister that, you know. I'm a blood sister that. You look on like this. You hear?
If you know
So
say-
I'm gonna make a fool of yourself.
It's true, me know say you're a liar. And you tell me say your sister, me not believe you. Me not believe you. So you never introduce your sister to me.
So why me that want to introduce my sister to you? And like say, yeah, remember say your man live there, so you know.
You know see a one wicked man, a sound man tell
Wicked man with what?
A sound man grown and tell lie. Say how you tell lie upon family member, you tell lie upon auntie, you tell lie upon sister.
Go on back up
I
here.
don't know who not tell
Go
lie
on back up
upon.
here, yard, man.
Go back up on his yard.
Come back here. Jutta, come back right here, so don't run away from your problem. Sit down.
David, I feel.
Hello, miss. What is your name? You just barging on me yard so and say evening, morning, or nothing at all. Oh, look here. What is your problem?
Jutta, don't
Hey,
repeat me, Jutta.
oi. Hello, girl. Hold on. I want him right so. You never see me if you say hi. What is your problem? So I fight you want to fight him off now. Because he say sister this over here so. Where you going to defend it? Defend it. Since as him and your man. And you not trust him and think say his sister and girl. Defend it. Eh? Defend it. Who you? Girl you think so me don't know who you? I want him. I want to fight off him. So you come to fight him because he tell you say and sister this. So true you not believe him. You ready to come bull him down?
No, girl. But I just saw him stay him lie and walk and tell peer lie upon woman. Me just not like his style, you want nasty style.
My yard there is not yours. Calm down your voice. Your voice too loud. And we don't make noise here, so let me tell you something. If you not believe your man, say me and sister defend it. Yes, I'm a man. Awa. Since as you believe say me and him there, what you gonna do about it? Oi, I'm in yard you come. And my yard this. For me yard. And him and my brother. We are same man, same papa.
You see what you cause?
Oi, nobody no fight you so you know. Any fight
you
you
cause?
you so and me and fight you. Hey girl, let me tell you something. You see true me no want to bust your ass. Me go send you out of my yard. Nice and easy and slowly. If you open back your mouth again, I'm a matter of fact, bitch. Oi, me no want to broke you up. A long time me know say you and your mouth, my brother. Me know say you live with man. And me know which party and the man live. And you come and name up my brother, so what you do? Start game little front, me know everything, me know this story. So if you start game little front, no come then you come bully me in front.
Oh!
Me and sister.
So that you do. You grown and scandal woman and you see you?
He not scandal no woman. The only woman he matter about is you because you so near me mouth. So if you give him little free front now and he no give no money, that I no. And you is a little puppy dog. Rex, looking up! Just dirty girl. Don't lick my brother, you're bright and feisty.
You wait tell me what you hear?
You tell me catch up, better.
Wait tell me what you hear, dirty boy. Wait tell me what you
Look on you. You don't think you have no ambition. Come take up your slippers from me doorway. Take up your slippers and where? Take up your slippers and
wait tell me what you wait tell me what you're going out dirty dog.
And you know no ambition because you live with man and not carry next man in the same house. Anytime I see your man, me must find out how your man stay. How your man look, how in turn, if you are good smarty or bad smarty, I go tell your man about you. Because of my brother, you take care going in your man house. Go jam out your front. And then you come and in argument with him about him dead on you so with woman. So what? You no feel no argument with my brother, even if I did want woman in the day with you so. Because you walk and joke down the whole place, you want a little war. You think me not know the man where you're there with? I came in my brother going to your man house, you walk list like dog. John Crono come back on the yard, crocodile, move, choo, hug, choo. You, I want to talk to you. Come out here, sir. Come out here, sir, man. Come out here, sir. You see excitement when you can't come on the yard? Yes, brother. You see what you do?
I don't care how I come here.
Are you she follow? She knows that me live
So
up.
go on and I
Eh? What kind of dirty nasty girl that they take up? Where they walk on a man like that? It's only cool.
Just cool, man. You're going to
Wild
say no
animal.
shot so guys.
That's why girl are using and name out your money, you little idiot.
Oh, I just see sensation. So very Watch out, what go on?
You know, I'm glad me see you too.
Why you glad you know?
You see a woman.
Me no see her.
Me not ask you if you see her. Me I say you see her,
Yes.
she's that a real girl.
What do you mean like that? Tell me what you do. Time me. Cause my time I wonder why me can't live for so my time now. What you do?
Worse than that. You can look at a woman in your house when you go and work at the time.
She not brave some man lie you tell for her, man.
Alright.
Me
If
not
you
think
don't
so.
believe me, you go out check her, say you go and work and come back and you see them.
And woman that one man can come there?
One, me know about one. Me know about one Rasta one and he tall. And when me I talk to you, just say, look him man alone, he not here. Every day man over there in a house, in a bed.
I don't know, you know, I get some dream from what day, you know, but I don't really believe in everything what people say. I get some dream and dream no walk straight. My dream say she give me bun, so I feel that some of this I get bun. Because dream no walk straight.
Well,
so.
that the gym they walk straight, you get bun and their nose.
Because you know, so between me and you though, I plan to buy one local ring here, you know. I'm married and second down because I not there for a while. And she has suck salt through wooden spoon. For a good while she has suck. You know? And she did that with me. So what you said to me now, it kinda
Man.
because you saw me see a while ago, me go for tell us we want to plan a surprise engagement. But now that you have said this to me now, no trouble that.
Yeah man, we can plan a surprise. He catch him and man, you better save your money, no buy no ring for no girl. You not deserve your money, you not deserve a ring. No buy no ring for marry nobody.
This news that too much to me, you know. But, so anyway, give thanks to tell me still. Alright? But me now go
me just tell you no for when more I see you.
But me busy for what day, because you see true, me know say she have high demands, I go work. I ain't just, you know, see she no work. One night time, I tell her I go look work and me say she not really go do it. So I say, then since she no want work.
You see, before a man come here yard, in there you mount him man, you know. And the man see him one day and follow him going yard. And that's how everything wraps up.
Oh, in there books man first?
Yes, in there name out him man money and they warn her about it.
And then what happened?
The man see him on the road one night time and follow him going yard.
Follow him go my yard, come here.
Yeah, your yard.
Because she live with me, I don't live with she, you know.
From then, and that's how you go. Every day over here when you gonna work. Every day.
No more work. So
Me I'll ask him for money and he no give me.
Me tell you one
Call himself my friend.
me tell you one thing. I go through too much relationship already. I can't manage it. Maybe I go left Jamaica if I say it I work out, you know. No good woman are there again. Eh?
I don't know. All you have to do, Chika say I go and work. Here we catch them. So beg your money now.
When if money you want make you tell me that story. You're general, you know. But you know,
do
you
what me
tell you
say.
one thing, man. You don't have to general me, you know, man. Because for your friend, you don't have to general me if you get the money off of me, you know. I'm name Mr. Kind. For you ask me for your money, me I give you money.
It's not all about the money when me ask you for. Go and work. Tell her say you go and work when they don't say you don't go and work. And you will catch them in your house.
You want know? I know say money you want. You don't have to tell that story. Yeah?
You see, if you think a joke me I make, you
Alright,
say
alright.
catch them, you have to go pay me.
Alright.
Nice money, you know.
I think it's the money you want, you know. So I'm make a bet. You have a man?
No, sir.
You want know? You see, anyhow, me find out that she give me bun, me a put her out and put you in. right?
Put her out and put
You in, yeah, so don't worry yourself.
So she go find out say me tell you.
No, me no, listen, me not matter about that. If she do me wrong, me want do her back wronger. So you're not her best friend, so you me go put in her fear place. So you know, me go find out, and if me find out, she go get signed out. So you know, me no worry yourself, cause me think the money you want, but we not go no further with that. If me go check out it, and if you find out, me not make she know. Until she come one day, come see you there. And when she say, Ray, me say, yo, come on. Because I'm going to have proof to say she do me wrong. So don't worry yourself. If it's true, we're going to figure it out.
Alright, do it, yeah.
Plus, more give her money on top of that. Because the money when I plan for the wedding, we just take the money there and divide up because it save me. We just save the money there, give you half of it and take half myself.
Alright, look on.
Alright.
They say I took money, you still want to say so lazy. I go in the bedroom, come me no one there, and the man just come back from working. Who just do what I do, that's one of my houses. You see?
So you all do so?
I don't run up the stairs.
Alright, let's see. Yeah.
Babe! I come home now! Bye-bye! Yeah, good. Well, tell her come for all the fast food.
Alright. Yeah.
You good though?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, cook long time.
Alright. You are one. You see a lady out the front road, right? She have a piece of money for me. Go pick up it for me, please. Take 1,000 at a time, don't take more than that. Yeah. You know me at all, right?
Yeah, no.
Yeah. Here we go on. More your money, you know. More your money. Well, come on, I got right now. Yeah, man. Me catch them red-handed, man. I'm sending her down the road. So I want you there. Let me say when you come back now, she knows that you in charge now. You are a replacement. Right now.
Hey, they don't say we want to send her money for you today.
No, we want money for you. I look at game where you play, but just do and get a catch by the one game. To them not gonna work. But they are straight through the day, right?
Oh, so this that go a long time.
Hello.
This gonna go a long time between you and she.
No, must something you know. You have the Rasta man. I come here every day when me gonna work. And I know. Because I was here today. All day. So when me tell you I'm gonna work this morning, you think I'm gonna work? That's true. Me see when the bed not come in. And me see when he go out. Because me just go on like, me come in like a general a while ago and go on like, very, me don't know say, so I'm going to the bathroom a while ago and time me give him to go out. And then me know say, I'm going to send out to them or call your best friend because we're game play. So she go be your replacement, you know. So she go run the yard now, you pack your things them and you go. You just pack up your things them and go. Because you want that things on your door. I don't need to explain the thing, because you know the truth.
Remember, say, I need it, I want to make you know. So you're lucky. You're a fan.
Go be with the Rasta man, man. Where you have to come here?
Your bitch. Your bitch hear me.
Oh, tell me, you are the bitch.
Cause you are man, make you try to use for me.
Who is the bitch?
Drunk,
Come on.
dirty
You know your man say, come out.
One, bitch.
One,
you want to take a
you
people,
put
man.
quiet in your house, you know.
Like dog, dirty whore.
Go on, where you go?
Yeah, man. Who know me for a long time would have know. Look on the surrounding, look. This area, over there now. Back in the time when I was selling movie, this was where I opened a liquor store, you know what I mean? So, my sister in them now, over here. Twinny Fabulous. Yeah, man, I saw them the same speed. And we used to have my store over there, so I sell bleaching. A different smarty around here now, I sell bleaching, cream, every look at things you think about. We sell it today. Panty, brassiere, every look at things, same way. You know what I mean? Plus, sell movie too. Downstairs out on the road the same way. You know what I mean? So that's how I'm back in the past. Yeah. Yeah, man. Because I have hold for movie out for a long time. Who know me for a long time? We have one by one out long time. We have Carelessness. We have couple different show out, you know what I mean? What's your story? This, that, bam, bam, circumstances. What all about look at something, you know what I mean? So this is a journey, you know what I mean? And sometimes you have to go back in memories and see where you start from to see if you have improved and what's the next step. So we're up on the next step, you know. So with the people them who want to see the thing develop, may I come do a project where I'll show you where the projection is and what I want to bring the thing to. So I'm going to create everything out of one account to me and save some money for a long time and dump it tonight to show on different levels of when you spend to change on something or better the project can be. You know what I mean? So we're spending do a little budget, not a big budget but a small budget. Because when I had the YouTube, we not the known budget. Then we move with them, we not the money for that budget. Some savings not going on to show an example of what it takes to do a better movie. So if we have the big budget, we can do big movie. No make the system fool you know what I mean? So the next thing we have to touch on, come out of the sun a bit there. I have to talk to the people them now. Alright. Some time ago, we have a debate with Vegas pertaining to where they want to see Jamaica go kind of in bars around the country. I remember the reason. I say we don't see the projection of the film industry going anywhere because it's only the big people them alone them really cater for, the rich people, not the people them who really do it. You know what I mean? So we now from this region have put in plenty work. Because if you go and just go Google and search for Jamaican movie and after my influence you will have more than 2,000 movies to watch where showcase Jamaica lifestyle, right? 2,000. I don't know if I'm more than that, but I just have to put it out so you can't find 2,000 movie from Westmoreland region, right? And with no help from nobody. We do that, right? So we are showcase this and showcase that. So we are not the place now part. The country said they go lock up a man 15 years if them catch them with a water gun. We've been using them type of props for years, you know what I mean? And sure you say you can be fighting to make your country better and the country fighting to make you worse. When I repeat that, you fight to make Jamaica better and the same country where you fight to make better make you worse. Alright. So I don't know if you watch no about Marcus Garvey and them things there. Do the research for Marcus Garvey and see. Tell me in the comments, did Jamaica lock up Marcus Garvey? Do they teach about Marcus Garvey in the schools, like in principle, and how you say black people should try to proud of themselves and try to uplift themselves? No. We want to check out them things there, because present tense now we are heading into a dictatorship of a country, you know what I mean? Because they know that movie and the music video them use props gun and lyrics and them things there do not influence violence and crime and them things. You know what influence crime and violence? Poverty and lack of leadership to lead the people them into the place that they should go. The country need more opportunity. Jamaica is full of so many talents, you know what I mean? And instead of attacking the problem, they would choose to do different things. The more they get rid of you than actually find you and figure out what's the problem, what caused the violence, and how to solve it. And they don't go to and talk to nobody how to solve it, because people know how to solve it. It's very easy. Because change a man's circumstance. What's that do some of them movie there, you know, where you change one do a movie like that, a bridging upon a trajectory, and then a change in circumstances, and then you see the real outcome of what a one can do and the potential. Lots of youth have great potential, but they got nothing to do with the potential they have. They will skill and become tufenge in this country. You know what I mean? So out in a world where we are fight for a better. So if it come to the test, maybe me have to leave Jamaica with the movie ideas that I have, and I think a next Caribbean country would accept me there, and I could go there and teach them how to do movie and develop from there. So because Marcus Garvey, I think one time in the leave Jamaica and go elsewhere and make their flourish same way. So the thing is, if I have to leave to do movie, maybe I have to leave. Panama is a place where look sensible, you know what I mean? You can get the props going to buy in at the store, and I think there's a way, if you shoot in their country, you must have a way for you go to somebody and get the props gun register and get everything up to standard, because you have people that use stuff to do different stuff, right? Because if you take a knife, right, a man can take a knife and take a life. A man can take the same knife and do a robbery. A man, so anything you have is the mind of the individual that use it, you know. So I want to use a prop gun to make them money and make them living. You should consult them and make sure they have a reason why they have. If the police come to them, then can say, alright then, I'm a filmmaker, you know, and I do movie. So rare. I am a videographer that do music video, and this is my prop gun, and if there's a way to get the license and that's in the panic, straightforward, because at the end of the day we're moving forward. But most people don't realize that the dictatorship of this country is to keep you poor, and they have people that they pay to say the thing is going okay, like how them pay the virgin name. You know yourself. Alright, so we now follow up people and call the name too much, but it's a bridging where we're going to me on TikTok and always a chat shit. So me have to adjust and make him know say me have a feeling say him have something to do with it too. You know what I mean? Because I know say him and the leader them a good friend and him have benefits from whatever go on in the country because him one of the campaign manager them, the campaign. You know what I mean? So anyway, we are trying to Jamaica regardless of the fight and the struggle. Because some people get them real tight, you know, so they get them real tight and them alright and they get promises, then tell lies, so everything is okay. People are suffering, people are dying, baby are crying in this country. But anyway, now I make the system stress I out. I start from a rough place and I keep on doing it, you know what I mean? Give thanks to Jah. Whenever I'm on there, you know what I mean? So we're there, I go and put in the work as usual, same way. And we say, if you're better Jamaica, the talent of the youth have to be enhanced. It can't be hide and push aside like what they're trying to do. Let us school do JAMA. Where is the end product? Where is the end product for JAMA? Show me it in Jamaica. There's no end product. We are doing it. Most of the people that they not ever start, they never go act in school yet. But we are teach them how to hack. You know what I mean? Teach them how to head it and them things. So we do a great thing from nothing. And here come the struggle, here come the fight. Every day. Mr. Babylon, where are for the youths them? On the graveyard, they are sure, you know. The graveyard, they are sure way. You don't know way.